I'm so excited to share these apple pie tartlets with you. They're scrumptious, so easy to make, and very delicious. Let's get started. Cook soaked cannellini beans in an Instant Pot under normal pressure for 22 minutes, or you can use canned beans. Rinse and peel 4 Pink Lady or Honeycrisp apples. Carefully slice the apples. You'll want the pieces to be small, nearly diced. When finished, transfer the apples into a 2-quart saucepan. Zest 1 lemon, slice in 2, and express the juice from both halves of the lemon. To the saucepan, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar or brown sugar. Transfer to the stove and add 1 cup of water. I can see that my puppy has found a way to entertain himself while I've been cooking. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or potato starch here. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, stir, and simmer on low for 20 to 25 minutes. Grind until fine 2 cups of whole oats. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon salt. Finally, 1/4 cup packed brown sugar or coconut sugar. Stir until combined. Meanwhile, Yoda continues to get into trouble. Get back over here with my sock, Yoda. When the beans finish, strain 1.5 cups of the beans and 2 tablespoons of the bean liquid, which is also known as aquafaba. In a food processor, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Process until smooth. Transfer to a bowl and add the dry ingredients, slowly stirring until just incorporated. Careful to not overmix. I'm lining this form pan with silicone cupcake holders. Since I don't use oil in my baking, this will prevent the batter from sticking. However, my husband doesn't mind the oil, so I'm making 2 extra for him since I don't have enough cupcake holders anyway. Press the dough into a shape that resembles a little crust. Don't expect these to be perfect, but fill in any holes with extra dough. Bake at 375 for 12 minutes. Well, hey Yoda, how are ya? When these come out of the oven, carefully transfer to a silicone mat or parchment paper and flip over until they are upright again. Spoon the apple filling into each of the crusts. Pour up to a tablespoon of remaining liquid into a small bowl. Add to this 1/2 cup of whole oats, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon aquafaba, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and stir until combined. Spoon the oat mixture onto each of the little tartlets and return to the oven for an additional 8 minutes of baking, again at 375 degrees. When these come out of the oven, you'll need to let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe for more fun foods and have a wonderful day.